Hi all, welcome to Little Talk section. In this video, we're going to see about the Python library series. As the first one, we are going to talk about Matplot library series. Python Matplot library adding grid lines. So we're adding grid lines to the plot. So with the PyPlot, we can use the grid function to add grid lines to the plot. So here, as usual, we have two arrays. One is x and another one is y. So here the np.array as 80, 85, and we have some few points, and another one array is having 240 to 50 to 60, like that we have points. So in the plot we have adding the plot title, plot x label and plot y label. So plot title sports watch data is available in the top of the graph, and then the x label is average pulse, which is available in the x-axis, and the calorie burnage is available in the y-axis. So now we are going to plot the x comma y. So these two graphs are going to be plotted here. So additionally, we are going to use the plot.grid, and this plot.grid will give the grid functions, and you can see the lines, horizontal and vertical lines inside the graph. That is the grid lines that will be available by using enabling this grid function. Labels and titles, so specifying which grid lines to display. So you can use the access parameters in the grid function to specify which grid lines to display. So legal values are x and y, or we can use both also. The default option is both will be available. Grid line, so we are using plot.grid, and we have the axis equal to x. So only the x-axis grid lines are shown now. So we can see the only the vertical lines, so that is only present. If we are giving axis equal to y, we can see only the horizontal lines. The default option is both. For that option, we can give plot.grid as empty, then it will be accepted for both. So the axis equal to y here, so we can see only the vertical lines. There is no, we can see only the horizontal lines. There is no vertical lines because we have given plot.grid of axis equal to y. Set line properties for the grid, so we can also set line properties for the grid. So like that, grid of color equal to color, line style equal to line style, line width equal to number, like that. So we can give the line width, we can fix any numbers for that, and we can have the any number of line styles and colors also we can add here. Line properties for grid, you can see plot.grid has color equal to green, so the grids are available in the green color. You can see the line style is hyphen, so it is like a dash dots, like that it is available here for both the vertical and horizontal lines, and line width is 0.5. So if you are increasing the size, you can see the as the line size will be increased in the grid points. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Defense. Please subscribe my channel.